Honda HEV system. These are the contents of my today's course. Basically, HEV system is a hybrid technology that enhances the fuel efficiency and minimize the emission. It also ensures the optimal performance of the driving while you are driving in urban areas or you are driving in highways. What is HEV? HEV basically consists of electric motors and petrol engine. Electric motor take power from the engine, also take the power by the generating the braking force. HEV, Honda HEV basically unique as compared to the other HEVs because of its IMMD vision. IMMD means Intelligence Multi-Mode Driving System. Due to this system basically automatically observe the driving behavior and the system condition, then it decides which will be mode of the drive. Like it's become on EV mode, it's become on hybrid mode or PET mode. These are the uniqueness of the Honda HEVs and the other HEVs. That also increase the fuel efficiency more than the other HEVs. How HEV works? Two motor system. HEV implies two electric motor for propulsion and recharging. Second one is the battery management. It covers the energy while regenerating the braking force. And the third one also explain later that the system itself decides the mode of the drive, like EV mode, petrol mode, or hybrid mode. Benefit of the HEV. HEVs have the significant benefit like it improve the fuel efficiency and minimize the emissions and also enhance the performance of the driver. It is also an ideal choice of the eco-friendly driver. Overall conclusion that the why Honda HEV is better than the other HEVs. Honda HEVs give the strong performance with the better fuel efficiency. And the second one is the smart choice of the eco-friendly driver. Finally, at the end, for the future, Honda is working on the new hybrid technology that bring the better and more exciting option for the future drivers. Thank you.